Recording in.
Yes.
Okay. Now, right side heading, types of angles, types of triangles.
Sir, what is happening? Turning.
Types
Change
of
your-
triangles. Anyone, will you please tell me types of triangle that you have done, what you have done in your
Scalene
last?
triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle.
Sir, upre.
Sir, Mangesh Munde talked. Oh my god.
Hey, Ami,
सर इतने जोर से बोला सर मेरे कान पड़ते हैं
all you know that the triangles will be like equilateral, scalene, isosceles, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Now, these things that you have not done in your previous class.
Yes,
or
sir.
no? But
Yes.
Yes.
these are the subtypes of some special cases. So triangle basically on two types. That will be based on sides and based on angle. Okay. So write in your notebooks. Write in your notebooks first the triangles based on basically the triangles. Are this array now hanged.
Yes, sir.
सर आप
Your
उसे
screen is
अब
hanged.
एडिट नहीं कर सकते।
हाँ
सर एक बार अगर आपने वो टाइप किया तो आप उसे एडिट नहीं कर सकते।
Yes. सर zoom का रूल है
ग्लिच है वो।
right, the triangles are basically main two types.
क्या बोला सुदर्शन तू?
Right, first part based on sides and second one based on angles. ठीक है, the triangles are basically, don't take this one, let's say two types based on angles, based on sides, right? How many of you aware these type based on side, based on angles?
Sir, I know.
Yes,
Based
sir.
on sides and angles.
Let me Chitish Sinde,
Yes, sir.
will you please tell me the name of the angle which are based on sides?
Based on sides, sir. Acute angle.
No, I'm talking about sides. Just wait, I will call the other student's name. Just wait. Sudarshan Gitte. Sudarshan,
Yes, sir.
please everyone on your video.
Obtuse.
Sudarshan Gitte, please tell me
Obtuse
the name
angle.
of the triangles based on
Obtuse
sides.
angle.
Continue.
Obtuse. Angle triangle.
No, baby, I'm talking about based on sides, not angles. Ame Patak. Ame Patak. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Ame, tell me, beta. Okay, Vaishnavi Munde, tell me, Vaishnavi.
Sir, scalene triangle.
Vaishnavi.
Scalene triangle.
Yeah, very good. Scalene triangle. Some more are there.
Isosceles triangle.
Very good.
Equilateral triangle.
Very good. So these are the angles which was basically based on
Oh,
side.
that you are talking.
Sides. And now
I
angle.
think-
So based on sides means equilateral,
Isosceles and scalene.
equilateral
Sir, may I tell the
Scalene,
definition?
isosceles,
and
isosceles.
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 Okay. Now Advita Dharmadhikari present right now.
No.
She is not here. Maybe she is absent in all the classes. Harsh Munde. Harsh Munde, will you please tell me the name of the triangles based on angles? Aditya.
Sir, may I?
Who is that? Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
Wait,
Acute angle, obtuse
wait,
angle, right
wait,
angle.
wait, Mangesh Munde.
Scalene triangle, right angle, and acute angle, equilateral right angle, acute angle, and
Will you please repeat again?
Obtuse angle.
scalene triangle have two angles.
No. Scalene triangle based on sides, not based on angles.
Yes.
I'm talking about based on angles, Mangesh.
Sir, can I
Right
tell?
angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
It's a good news for me. You are starting speaking in the class. That's very nice. Yes, Mangesh, bolo beta.
Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
Right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and
Obtuse.
obtuse.
Triangle.
Okay. So I will write क्या है ये सिस्टम इसका
So it's hanging. Hanging.
सर वो ग्लिचेस है इसके जूम के हैंग नहीं होता ग्लिच होता है
नेट की वजह से हो भी सकता है।
sided and sided
right based on sides that is
equilateral
equilateral
scalene
Isosceles and scalene.
isosceles
Isosceles and scalene.
isosceles and
scalene
scalene.
and isosceles.
Write
Sir,
down
you
your
did.
books. Based on sides in front of based on sides. Write these things fast.
Yes, sir.
And based on angles, you can say acute
Acute
angle,
angle, obtuse angle, right angle.
acute angle, triangle. Write yourself.
Right angle,
Acute angle, triangle. Write yourself and write
right angle, obtuse angle.
Not angle. Right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Right angle.
Okay.
and
You can see that.
obtuse. Right? Completed this one.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will recall you what are these angles. So I just in one statements I will recall you all you have done I think these things, but I am just recalling you what are these things. So first heading, that is a equilateral triangle. Firstly, I'm going to discuss based on
All sides of this
equilateral
triangle.
triangle. Okay, equilateral triangles.
Equilateral triangle is a triangle
It's,
whose
all
all sides are equal.
All sides are equal.
sides and
Angles
angles
are
are
equal.
Are
Equal.
Equal.
always equal. ठीक है?
Always.
पहले इसमें हमारे डेफिनेशन में साइड्स होता था, एंगल्स नहीं. अभी इस बार
Some
एंगल्स.
more properties I will tell, don't worry. Some more properties regarding equilateral triangles I will tell, but give me some time, sir. It all sides that you have done, it's all sides and angles are equal. Yes.
Yes.
Have you done anything
Yes.
little bit extra in previous class?
No.
सर सिर्फ इस क्लास में एक्स्ट्रा ये है एंगल्स.
Angles, yes. Angle word.
Okay. Some write now in points or write inside, make this with points, dots. Actually, all the things will be in your syllabus in this year. So it's
So what is that? 90? 90.
it's altitude.
वो कर्सिव में का ये है.
I will write in text form. That will be much better.
Yes.
It's
टाइप करो क्या एकदम फास्ट में. सर मैं टाइप करूँ एकदम फास्ट.
altitude
Keep
and
quiet.
नॉट आस्किंग प्रथमेश.
and medians.
It's altitudes and medians.
What's going on? It's altitude and medians coincides to each other. ठीक है?
Sir, what is meant by coincide?
Coincides mean they will overlap. Suppose we have equilateral triangle. Before that, equilateral triangles. How many of you aware altitude and median words?
No, sir. It's new for me.
Geography.
Okay.
Altitude and median.
Yes,
Okay, no problem. I will discuss these things right now. Okay. So
Sir, I am matching these words with that.
you can write
sir.
हाँ
Sir, हमें वो लिखना है क्या? It's all sides and angles are equal, or it's altitude and
दोनों
medians.
भी.
नहीं क्या हो गया फिर से
सर आप एंटर मत दबाओ, फिर नहीं होगा.
first point that you have already written, I think it's altitude
Altitude and medians.
medians coincide
coincides each other.
to each other.
Each other.
So now I will discuss these words. What are altitudes? What are medians? Okay, listen very carefully. These are the important concepts which was work throughout your life in mathematics if you are studying triangle chapter anywhere. Okay, so
Yes.
may or may not you have done in your previous class, but don't worry, because in last class triangle chapters or regarding geometry chapter I had not done with you, because it was done by some other teachers earlier before coming to me.
Sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Now
So what is after medians?
altitude? Firstly, altitude.
Sir,
altitude. Right hand.
Coincides.
You can write capital A, altitude. It is a line segment drawn from vertex point, drawn from vertex points to the opposite line segment, opposite line segment, opposite line segment. It is a line segment drawn from vertex point to the opposite line segment in a triangle. In a triangle, and make right angle there. Write down this statement, and I will tell you in figure what is this. Because most of the student gets confused in altitude and median, that's why I need to clarify each and everything. Right?
Sir,
Is this visible to you? Unacademy official भारत की राजधानी क्या है?
no.
परीक्षा हैं?
No sir, आपकी
sir.
notifications नहीं दिख रही हैं।
Only my white is
we can see only
सर एकदम स्टार्टिंग को जब आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे थे तब दिखी।
only
हाँ,
my
तब
white skin is visible or something else visible?
सर
Something
तब सिर्फ मैं
else.
था, यश श्री
What is that?
और
Is it
वैष्णव।
visible quiz for all exam?
No.
Unacademy.
हैं?
No.
होगा सर कॉम्बैट का।
Okay. Now look at the diagram firstly. Is this have you written this one completely?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now I'm look at this. Look at this triangle. It will be any type of triangle. Okay. I'm not taking equilateral. It will be of any type. What is
Yes,
the meaning?
isosceles.
Now, suppose this is your ABC triangle. I said that what is the definition of altitude? If a line segment drawn from the vertex point to the opposite line segment. Means आप लोग करोगे क्या? What you have to do? Draw a line segment from vertex point to make a right angle to the opposite side this way. Okay. Similarly, from this point. And
सर ये जरा means थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया है।
Confusing.
now look this angle
सर सही है।
that is formed,
हाँ।
that will be your right angle. Okay. If so, here let us write D, E, F. So here AD, BE and CF are altitude.
Altitude.
of triangle ABC. यहाँ पर जो आपके AD, this line segment, they are not equal, but they are altitude. यानी कि altitude क्या होते हैं बेटा? वो vertex points, मतलब 3 vertex point will be there, so 3 medians will be there, so 3 altitude will be there. So if anyone asks how many altitude in a triangle, so what your answer?
There are two altitudes in triangle.
3.
How many altitude in a triangle? That will be 3.
3.
Okay. What is the work of altitude? It is drawn from the vertex points of a triangle to the opposite side. So हम शुभम टिटके don't do anything in my screen. Otherwise, whenever you come offline, I will hit you hardly. Okay?
Hit you?
hardly.
Oh my god, खाओ गया हमें.
Sir said heat.
Hit you more harder way that I have
Oh.
here.
Sir, am I saying you keep
Now, so this means drawn from the vertex points. Look at this. If A is the vertex, B is the vertex, C is the vertex, right? It is drawn to the opposite side. Opposite to this vertex, that will be BC line, this one AC, and this one AB. So I hope the altitude is clear. Now next heading, medians.
Sir,
Sir, wait a little.
Sorry.
सर मैं बोल
ये
रहा
part
देख लो पहले.
अरे
right
बोल
now,
मैं.
median. Am I audible?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir, you're oral.
Okay. It is a
Sir, yeah.
it is
Draw
a
that
line
triangle.
segment,
Sir Vaishnav is saying show that triangle.
it is a line segment drawn.
Yes.
Sir, we have to draw that triangle.
Right, next heading, B part, median. It is a line segment drawn from vertex point to opposite side. To opposite side and bisect.
So what is mean by bisect?
Bisect it. It means opposite side.
Yes. Opposite.
Now listen. It is a line segment drawn from vertex point up to here to the opposite side. Up to here, definition of median and definition of altitude, that will be same. Vertex point to the opposite line segment. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Up to
Sure.
here, everything is okay.
Yes.
Right here, opposite line segment. After that, the things get changed. Here, make right angle there. Means आपका opposite sides में altitude क्या करता था? Right angle बनाता था. अब आपका median क्या करेगा? Now look at the triangles. I will draw a triangle, then it will be more clear to you.
Sir less than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute.
Less
Meeting
than
can
1
at
minute,
any
sir.
time.
नहीं हो पाएगा ये.
Okay, draw this diagram.
Sir, it is sequence.
Don't worry.
Sir, show the firstly diagram.
It was already discussed. This one is your altitude. Now coming to
Yes
median, look
sir.
at here.
Don't waste time in this.
Median will be drawn in this way. It will bisect the opposite sides. Bisect कितने बच्चे जानते हैं? Bisect
नहीं जानता.
No, sir.
नहीं जानते हो?
नहीं.
Sir, is it similar to transversal?
ना देखो अब bisect की मीनिंग क्या होती है? Suppose this is your
Intersect.
DEF.